What if I told you that lasting health doesn't come from complicated diets, expensive supplements, or the latest wellness trend? What if the secret to vitality has been quietly waiting for us for thousands of years? Long before fitness trackers and detox programs, Ayurveda taught that extraordinary health is created through ordinary daily rituals. Not through intensity, but through consistency. And perhaps that's exactly the wisdom modern life needs most. Today, I want to share 5 simple Ayurvedic practices that can bring greater energy, better digestion, deeper balance, and a renewed sense of well-being without adding stress to your already busy life. The first ritual begins before coffee, before email, before social media. Ayurveda recommends drinking 1 or 2 glasses of warm water immediately upon waking. After hours of sleep, the body naturally seeks hydration. Warm water offers a gentle start to the day and supports the body's normal elimination processes. But perhaps even more important, it creates something many of us have forgotten: a peaceful beginning. Instead of waking up and instantly reacting to the world, we begin by reconnecting with ourselves. The second ritual takes less than 60 seconds. Tongue scraping has been practiced in Ayurveda for centuries. Ayurvedic wisdom considers the tongue a reflection of digestive health. Removing the coating that accumulates overnight is traditionally believed to promote oral cleanliness and awareness of the body's internal balance. But beyond physical benefits, this ritual creates something equally valuable: mindfulness. 1 minute of conscious attention. Notice something interesting. None of these practices require expensive equipment. None require hours of effort. Ayurveda teaches that health isn't built through extremes. It's built through rhythms, through simple acts repeated with awareness. And the next 3 rituals focus on energizing the body and strengthening digestion, what Ayurveda considers the foundation of vitality. Movement is one of nature's most powerful medicines. Ayurveda encourages daily activity that produces mild perspiration. Not exhaustion, not punishment, simply movement, a brisk walk, a yoga practice. The goal isn't to push harder, it's to awaken circulation, elevate energy, and bring body and mind into harmony. In a world that glorifies burnout, perhaps gentle consistency is the real superpower. In Ayurveda, digestion is considered the cornerstone of health. Ancient practitioners spoke of Agni, the digestive fire. One traditional practice involves consuming a small piece of fresh ginger before meals. Ayurveda believes that balanced digestion supports vitality, clarity, and overall well-being. Modern life often encourages eating in a hurry, but Ayurveda invites us to slow down and treat every meal as nourishment. The final ritual may be the most transformative. Ayurveda recommends a lighter evening meal and sufficient time between dinner and breakfast. This allows the body to rest and complete its natural processes overnight. In today's world of late dinners and endless snacking, this ancient wisdom feels surprisingly modern. Sometimes better health isn't about adding more, it's about giving the body the rest it deserves. Perhaps the greatest lesson Ayurveda offers us is this: health isn't created in dramatic moments, it's created in ordinary moments. A glass of warm water, a mindful morning, a walk in the sunlight, a meal eaten with awareness, a quieter evening. Tiny rituals, repeated daily. And over time, these small choices become the architecture of a healthier, calmer, and more balanced life. You don't need to change everything. Start with one, let it become a habit, then add another. Because lasting transformation isn't built in a day, it's built every day. Which of these rituals speaks to you most? I'd love to hear from you. Consider subscribing and joining our growing community. Until next time, take care of your body, calm your mind, and live wisely.